Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Battleverse, where we dive deep into the stories, machines, and strategies that shape our world. Today, we're taking a closer look at how the Russia versus Ukraine war has reshaped global military strategy, not just for the nations involved, but for the entire world watching from the sidelines. This conflict, which began in early 2022, has become a testing ground for modern warfare, changing how countries think about defense, technology, and the battlefield itself. From the outside, the exterior of this war is defined by its scale and visibility. Unlike many past conflicts, every move has been documented in real time by media, satellites, and even smartphones. The world has seen how modern tanks, drones, and artillery operate under high-intensity conditions, and how urban warfare looks when cities are transformed into fortified battle zones. Ukraine's use of portable anti-tank weapons, advanced air defense systems, and agile infantry tactics has become a blueprint for asymmetric defense, while Russia's deployment of massed artillery and missile strikes reflects a more traditional but still deadly approach. Inside the conflict, the interior is about logistics, coordination, and adaptability. The war has highlighted the importance of secure communications, rapid intelligence sharing, and the ability to repair and replace equipment under fire. NATO countries have been quietly testing their supply lines and interoperability, learning valuable lessons about how to sustain long-term military aid without direct involvement. Performance on the battlefield has been influenced by innovation and adaptation. Drones, once considered secondary tools, have taken center stage, with Ukraine using small, inexpensive UAVs to target armored vehicles and supply convoys, and Russia deploying loitering munitions to disrupt Ukrainian defenses. Precision-guided weapons have changed the pace of engagements, allowing smaller forces to punch far above their weight. The war has shown that agility, intelligence gathering, and electronic warfare can rival the brute force of traditional military hardware. Safety features, in a military sense, have evolved too. Armored vehicles are now being equipped with reactive armor and active protection systems to counter the growing threat of anti-tank missiles. Troops have adopted better body armor, improved helmets, and night vision gear to survive in high-threat environments. Even civilian safety has been a focus, with mobile air raid apps, bomb shelters, and rapid evacuation systems becoming part of daily life in Ukraine's cities. The unique selling points of this war, if you can call them that, lie in its strategic lessons. It has proven that small nations, when backed by technology, intelligence, and international support, can resist a much larger military power. It has reinforced the importance of energy security, cyber defense, and public morale in modern warfare. It's also accelerated military modernization worldwide, with countries from Europe to Asia rushing to upgrade their arsenals, stockpile ammunition, and train for high-tech hybrid conflicts. As for the price, it's measured not just in billions of dollars in military spending, but in human cost. Ukraine's defense has been supported by billions in Western aid, while Russia has poured immense resources into sustaining its offensive. The war has driven up global defense budgets, increased the cost of critical military hardware, and caused ripple effects in global markets, especially energy and food supplies. But the greatest price has been paid in lives, with soldiers and civilians bearing the brunt of the fighting. In conclusion, the Russia versus Ukraine war has become more than a regional conflict, it's a turning point in global military strategy. It's forced militaries around the world to rethink their priorities, from the role of drones and cyber warfare to the importance of alliances and logistical resilience. As nations continue to adapt to these lessons, one thing is clear: the strategies forged in this war will shape the battlefields of the future, long after the guns in Eastern Europe fall silent.